Welcome all of you to the Qsigma. We got a nice question from our friend MSLDIN. These questions and the answers that I'm going to explain will help you more to understand this our system as well as our system rules. It will crystal clear the knowledge about our system as well as the knowledge and the understanding about our system rules. Okay, let's go to the question that he asking from us. This is a screenshot that he's giving us, and in this picture from 20th May to 26th May for Euro USD I get 12 signals. So he's saying that from 20th May to 26th he got 12 signals. Okay, I can see it. Signal 1, enter and win 30 pips. This is the first trade that he entered, and he win 30 pips. And 2, enter already in trade 1, 2 no entry, so he didn't enter second one because the first one is okay, the signal is in. The 3 entered, he entered 3 and lost trade. His third one is a loss. Okay, 4 entered and a loss. 5 entered and a lost trade, also missed this big down trend because of all signals are buy and Qsigma trend is blue because he missed this all down trend. Okay, signal 6, this is 6, enter, sell and win 30 pips. Okay, 7, 8, 9, no enter because already in trade 6 he didn't enter here. Signal 10, enter is a loss. 11 entered, a loss. 12 entered, a loss. 12 do not here, he did not enter the 12 because at same impulse of 11 also missed the uptrend. Okay, he's uptrend. So he is asking what's wrong I do, or I didn't understand the system well. Okay, I am giving you a direct answer. You have done few wrong things. Yes, of course you have done few wrong things, and also you didn't understand the system well. Some part is okay, but you didn't understand the system well. Yes, for those questions the answer is yes. Okay, it doesn't matter, I'll explain here, then you will understand better. Let's go to the charts. So this is the charts. You can see the 2 vertical green lines. This is the exact time period. This is the exact time period of that he asking, 20th May to 26th May. Okay, then if you enter here, you will exit as a profitable trade. If you enter here, you will exit as a profitable trade. Okay, the problem is the nearest entry to the 20th May is this. So this is our first entry. If we enter, I will use the naming as 1, will too easy to describe. If I enter first this one trade, we will go in trade. Can we enter here? Can we enter this blue, this entry? No, we cannot, because when you enter this trade, if you get an alert, if you are already in the buy trade, you cannot enter for the another trade, because you cannot have 2 buys in the same currency pair from the system. You should have only 1 buy. So you will only enter this trade, not this. So you go and you will exit in here with the profit. You will exit with the profit. Okay, then our next signal is here. We get the entry here, and remember these every stop losses are 30 pips. These every stop losses are 30 pips long. So with the system rules, 30 pips long. The second signal is here. We enter the trade. We are in the trade. Can we enter here? No, we cannot, because why? Simple as you know. You enter here. Can we enter here? No, because already your buy trade is running. Okay, we didn't get the stop loss hit and it's going down, but from the profit part we didn't get any exit. Then come again to the entry. Can we enter here? No, we cannot enter. We cannot enter because why? The first trade is still running. So you cannot enter here. You cannot enter here. You cannot enter here. Your first trade is still running because you didn't hit the stop loss, or you didn't take the one take profit. Then what happened in here? What happened in here? You hit the stop loss of the system. What happened in here? You get the trade here. You hit the stop loss here. losing. So these two trades will not in our portfolio. Then what happen is we get another trading signal nearest to the stop loss. Remember this, to get another buy trade within a losing trade, I told you many times, you cannot enter within the same impulse. Okay, to be the same, without to be a same impulse, we can see some correction here and we get down here. See what happened. If you need to get another signal, you should need, if we get a sell signal here, we can go. Why? Because this is the losing signal and this is the impulse, this is the correction. We can think, okay, now it's okay, it can be sell. But for to go buy, you cannot enter here because your correction is not much enough. To get a buy another trade, you need to go a good correction, and if you get another buy trade at here, then you can go. Okay, so I am considering this part is as a whole impulse, so you will not going to enter any of this and these trades because of the rule. If you are in a losing trade, you cannot enter in the same impulse these two trades. You eliminating the trades. So we entered two trades, one is a profit, another one is a loss one, and you didn't enter here, you didn't enter here, you didn't enter here, you didn't enter here. Okay, it's finished. So next trade is the first trade that we get the sell signal, and your stop loss is 30 pips here. And can we enter these two trades? No, we cannot, because you are in the sell trade already. You cannot enter here. Then it go down and we get a exit. Then we exit positively, we get a profit. Then what happened? You get another sell signal. Of course you will be enter because you exit the last trade as a profit. Then you enter here. What happened? It still goes up but didn't hit the stop loss. Then what happened? You get another sell trade. Can we enter? No, cannot, because you are in the sell trade already. Again you getting a sell signal. Can you enter? No, because you are in the sell trade already. Then it hit the stop loss where? At here, stop loss. So in this section you getting only to this trade, not these trades. Okay, then I think you can understand we have only 4 entries. This is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, and only these 4 trades. All other signals are just signals, not entries. We exit with the profit in here, we hit the stop loss here, we exit with the profit here, we get a stop loss. 2 trades profitable, 2 trades a loss. Okay, I think you will understand what I said. This is a good question. This is the same exact period that you asked for. So my friend, you have, maybe you have 12 signals, but you have only 4 entries, and with the rules you are eliminating the other signals. Okay, so this is the trading period. Then you do not have 12 signals. You do not have many trades that as you think. Okay, thank you for watching, and I think you will I hope that you will understand this. If you didn't understand, ask me again. I will here to help you, and I will explain again and again. Thanks for watching again. Thank you.